Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today we're going to go over one of the V19 features. It's a new feature. Essentially what it does is that it allows you to sell subscription products, one-time products, so that way you don't have to make a duplicate product to sell it just as a one-off. You'll need the subscriptions app installed. You can do that going through the apps. If you just type in a simple search, we've already activated it. Now if we go to our products, we can go into the subscription product that I was working on. You'll need to check off the subscriptions boolean, and then under recurring prices you have an option to select off one time. And what that will do is when you go to make a sales order, if we put that item on the sales order, we are eligible to add it to a sales order, not just to a subscription sale. And as you can see, it's taking the unit price that was set here under the sales price. It's not pulling any of these recurring prices. And now, instead of having to make a second product just to sell this as a one-off, we can just do that directly with that boolean. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.